This is the 2026 Porsche Panamera GTS, a luxury sedan with a supercar attitude. 4 doors, 4 seats, and a twin-turbo V8 that refuses to stay quiet. Today, we're diving into the sound, the interior luxury, and the aggressive exterior details of this German performance machine. The 2026 GTs looks sharper than ever. It sits lower and wider than the base pen. Gloss, black accents replace chrome for a more aggressive personality. Massive wheels, large air intakes, red brake calipers reminding you this is not an ordinary sedan. And at the rear, the active spoiler and full-width LED light bar complete that unmistakable Porsche identity. But let's talk about what truly matters. The sound. The 2026 Panamera GTs is powered by a twin-turbocharged V8. Press the start button, and it awakens with a deep, commanding growl. Cold start, sharp and aggressive, downshift crackles, addictive, full throttle acceleration, pure Porsche motion. Step inside, and the mood shifts from aggressive to refined. Alcantara wraps the steering wheel. Red stitching runs across the seats and dashboard. The GTS badge reminds you this is the performance-focused trim. A large curved digital display replaces traditional gauges. Crisp animations, clean Porsche layout, everything driver. This cabin blends sports car intensity with executive comfort. On the road, the Panamera GTS feels alive. Instant throttle response, precise steering feedback, adaptive suspension that balances comfort and control. 0 to 60 happens in just over 3 seconds. And yet, it remains stable, composed, and confident at high speeds. This isn't just quick for a sedan, it's sports car quick. The 2026 Porsche Panamera GTS proves something important. You don't need a coupe to enjoy real performance. You don't need to sacrifice comfort for speed. It gives you thunderous V8 sound, luxury level comfort, and everyday usability. Is this the ultimate performance luxury sedan? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more high performance car content.